How can I change to the previous directory instead of going up? I currently spend a lot of my working hours moving back and forth between two paths which are very far down the tree and divert from each other at root. It strikes me that my life would be a lot easier if there was an argument for cd that takes the user to the last directory they were in. That is, if I'm in. And then type. I would like to be able to go back to the first directory without having to type the whole path again. The memory key does not cut it since I use enough commands in each place that it's just as difficult to go back and find the path I want as it is to type it myself. Is there a short command that would just let me go to the previous directory?
The command will perform the swap you need on most of the mainstream shells. The older longer variant is, which will use the environment variable that contains the previous working directory. The POSIX-man page for cd mentions description. If, during the execution of the above steps, the pwd environment variable is changed, the old root environment variable shall also be changed to the value of the old working directory, that is the current working directory immediately prior to the call to cd. Operands. When a hyphen is used as the operand, this shall be equivalent to the command, which changes to the previous working directory and then writes its name.
In addition to Brian's answer, it's worth mentioning there's also pushed and popped, which build up directories like a stack. This is also available on Windows NT, however, it is not available in all shells. For example, we can go to 3 different directories, and you will always see your stack when you call pushed. And when you call popped 3 times in a row, you get to those directories in the stack in reverse order. At the same time, the stack will be emptied again. If you are using ZSH, it has an auto_pushed option, which will automatically push CDs onto the stack.
There are some jump programs. AutoJump, maintained with basic features. J2, apparently unmaintained with some advanced features. Z, maintained version of J with advanced features. These ease any kind of directory navigation. You use it by giving a portion of the path and it just works. In your case, you can assign any letter you want to these programs. J is tradition smile. J2 and Z support multiple search terms. And more options.
In addition to CD and $old put, you can use history search by pressing Ctrl+R and typing a few letters of the CD command you entered before. Pressing Ctrl+R repeatedly will bring older matches. This method will be more useful if you have more than 2 paths to change.
Yes,